Technology seems to keep making everything smaller and cooler. Whether it's macro photography, or an alternative to your loud, hulking washing machine, or even tracking your health, it's all about making our lives easier. Here's a list of the coolest mini gadgets you want to get your hands on immediately. Snow Owl. If you're scared of touching the screens at the office because of germs, and all the other people who might have touched them before, carrying around your own Snow Owl might be a good idea. Here's another gadget to control your devices without having to touch them. It's a ring-shaped AI mouse that you can slip on to impress your colleagues by swiping around the presentation with just a gesture. You can even enjoy mobile games in a three-dimensional way, as though in virtual reality. No more worrying about smudges and germs. WashWow 3.0. Imagine a world in which you don't need detergent to do your laundry anymore. Well, WashWow 3.0 just made that come true. This is an extraordinary new device that uses water electrolysis to break down water into hydrogen and oxygen that cleans away any organic stains or chemical residue on your clothes. Pretty cool, right? With the WashWow 3.0, you just have to place your clothes in water with the device and let it do the rest. It has a sterilization rate of 99.98%, and there's no chemical residue left on your clothes either. Although on the flip side, the amount of clothes you can wash in one go is smaller than your average laundry load. But it's still a powerful, eco-friendly, and portable device that's perfect for busy people, especially travelers and new parents. And at $70, we'd say it's a pretty smart investment. You can forget about faded sweaters with this gadget. iMicro Q2. If you're into photography and want to step up your game, then you might want to check this out. The iMicro Q2 is an incredible feat of technology. A powerful, portable microscope that you can attach to your smartphone on the go. This stellar little device can magnify things up to 800 times and has a resolution power down to 1 micron. It's compatible with any smartphone and you can easily carry it around in your pocket. The iMicro Q2 is super easy to use. It only takes a minute to stick it onto your phone and configure it to see things that even the naked eye can't see. This includes cells and the scales on human hair. The quality of the images produced is at par with professional microscopes. It has adjustable magnification too, and there's less distortion compared to normal desktop microscopes. It's also pretty affordable at around $30. Scanbox. If you're tired of regular old dental checkups, then you might want to check out this next handy gadget. The Scanbox is a device that's been created by Dental Monitoring that allows you to do your dental checkups in the comfort of your home. To use it, you just have to stand in front of a mirror and turn on the Dental Monitoring app on your phone. Then you fix your phone onto the Scanbox and insert the cheek retractors into your mouth. Connect the device to your cheek retractor and let the device guide you on carrying out your scan. It takes a close look at each tooth, and the images can be saved on your phone and even sent to your dentist. Say goodbye to those scary dentist checkups. Destruct Pro. If you've ever sold off or donated an old PC, you know how painstaking it can be to have to erase all that data from it. And yet, hackers can still restore the data erased from a factory reset. Destruct Pro to the rescue. This small keep-shaped device can wipe away all the data on your device with military-grade precision, making it unrecoverable within a few minutes. All you have to do is insert this small device into the USB port of your computer and click the Destructopad icon to get things started. So go ahead and donate that old laptop without a worry. Ginkgo Accordion Lamp. Made from 100% FSC certified natural bamboo wood, this little gadget shows just how amazing ambient lighting can be. It has magnetized ends to help with customization. Open it up like an accordion and configure it into any shape you want. Join with other such lamps or metal surfaces to turn it into a piece of sculptural art, a centerpiece, or even a portable light. It comes with a magnetic lanyard strap included to turn it into a hanging lamp as well. You get 2 color light options, warm yellow and cool white, which you can switch by opening and closing the lamp. It comes in 3 elegant natural wood colors: maple, bamboo, and walnut. The easy USB charger makes this a must-have in your home to create a cozy, customizable environment. DISM inverted lighter. We all love to set the mood with a few scented candles now and then, but it's a total buzzkill when you're trying to light a candle and end up burning your finger with the lighter. With a DISM inverted lighter, you won't need to worry about that anymore. It's the world's first lighter that's designed for both upright and inverted use. Its angled flame port keeps the flame away from your fingers, and you can safely use it to light whatever you need to, whether it's a cigarette or a candle. For just $24, kiss those burned fingers goodbye forever. Circular smart ring. There are loads of wellness monitoring devices out on the market today, but we doubt you can find one as simple to use as the circular smart ring. It may look just like another piece of jewelry at first sight, but it's actually a powerful smart device designed to keep a track of your heart rate, activity, and sleep quality. It's carefully configured to even wake you up in the lighter part of your sleep. You can control your phone with a single touch on this discreet device. Phone ringing in the middle of a meeting, silence it with a single tap on your ring. It even gives you a small vibration when you receive notifications, so your phone doesn't have to beep for everyone to hear anymore. It has a sleek design that's waterproof and scratch-proof, so you can carry out your day-to-day tasks without worrying about it. The battery on this impressive device can last up to 2 days. Keeping a close track of your health was never easier. AirPix Selfie Drone. Meet the world's smallest drone camera. The AirPix Selfie Drone by Air Selfie is here to revolutionize your selfie-taking experience. This tiny drone hovers in front of you to take HD photos and videos. Worried about positioning and focus? It has an in-app joystick that lets you configure it. With its one-touch selfie mode, you just have to press a button and it will fly, frame, snap, and return back to you. The app lets you edit pictures and share them easily too. It has a 360 mode to take pictures all around and a range of 60 feet of flight time of 6+ minutes. This personal pocket photographer comes with a bunch of neat features. It has an Italian design and can take 12 megapixel photos and even live stream your videos. It also has smooth air flight stabilization built in, so you don't have to worry about shaky videos. So you can toss out your chunky selfie stick for this cool mini gadget. Rolova. Meet the world's first compact digital ruler. Rolova. Measuring tapes can be limited in dexterity and are pretty bulky, but Rolova is just 2 inches in diameter and can take care of all of those problems. All you have to do is press the side button and then wheel it over any surface you want to measure. The coolest thing about this is that you can measure any kind of surface you want, whether it's flat or straight or curved. While normal tape measures are pretty limited by length, Rolova can measure up to 83 feet. It has a sleek design of stainless steel and costs $56. Perfect find for designers and home decor freaks. Race mouse. In this age of using multiple devices with different modes of interaction, here's a look at the most convenient mouse in the world. Race mouse is wireless with a battery that lasts up to 2 days on just an hour of charging. This multi-purpose device can be used as a touchpad, a mouse, or even a laser pointer. It's great for meetings and presentations, and you can pair it with any device you choose, be it a laptop, smartphone, or tablet. It can be easily carried in your pocket and only costs $29. Not a lot for the ultimate presentation tool. InCharge 6. These days, we have so many portable devices and so many charging cables that come with each of them. And it just gets messy. Meet the Swiss Army knife of charging cables, the InCharge 6. This is a small instrument that supports charging on any kind of device, so you can stop worrying about carrying a tangle of wires everywhere. But don't be fooled by its size at first glance. It even gives you 5 feet of mobility. Can't find a socket to charge your phone? Just connect to your friend's phone. The InCharge 6 supports power transfer from one device to the other too. Loads of devices are switching to USB-C input, and it accommodates for that too. It comes on a small keychain, so it's effortless to carry around. And if you're clumsy, don't worry about dropping it. It's been designed to withstand being run over by a car. The days of carrying around a bunch of bulky charging cables are definitely over.